Hello guys! Maayong aga po sa inyong lahat pero good evening na po itong video na ito, no? So ngayon i-voice over lang natin paglabas ko dito, or well actually hindi ko alam kung asan ako galing nito, no? At si Mr. pagdating ko sa loob, busy na siya, nag-juice na siya guys, kasi nakalimutan kong nag-juice. Busy kasi yan lately, nagtatrabaho. Pagdating niya dito, andun pa yung juice guys in the meriend, kasi busy man talaga ako guys, no? Kahit wala tayong trabaho, nasa labas tayo, palaging naglilinis sa labas, linis sa bahay, no? Marami din akong inalagaan. So, ngayon, nagjujuicing siya. Ako naman dito, i-ready ko lang yung dinner. At yun, dinner ni Mr. is salad. So, ito yung pinakamasarap talaga na salad na nagustuhan ko. Yung mga litos-litos, masarap din yan. Pero ang arugula talaga siya guys, with cheese, mozzarella, limon, at saka, anong tawag nito, anong tawag yung kamatis, masarap talaga siya guys. At nakasanayan ko na, maganda pala siya i-diet guys, kasi talagang hindi mabigat sa tiyan. Lalo na kapag meat diet ka and then gulay, ay ang sarap. So ito yung ginawa namin buong hapon, and then the next day, ito na yung ating vlog. And what are you doing? Ang mga maliliit nandun sa ilalim, ang mga malalaki mabibigat andin sa ibabaw. Ang mangyari, mapipisat. Let me see. Luto ako ng itlog kasi hindi man ako magluluto ng itlog kasi guys kapag kasi kami ni Tami hindi kami mahilig ng itlog luto. So sa daming itlog namin, minsan talaga kami guys na hindi na natin nagamit yung itlog, kainin na natin. Pero yung itlog is hindi man siya sira kasi alam namin yung itlog na sira. Alam namin paano mag-check ng itlog na sira. So, mga itlog na sira, mga dubok ba? Sa tawag naman. Ang kaibahan talaga guys, tingnan nyo guys, ang kaibahan ng organic at hindi organic. Very orange yung organic. Kailangan natin gamitin ito. Palagi naman tayong, palagi na lang tayong anik. Dito tayo Hindi tayo dito pwedeng magluto kasi siya, may kahoy ba, masunog ang kahoy guys. So maglinis lang tayo dito. Anong nahuhulog dito how to open this thing. There you go. I-open lang pala yan siya guys. Silhig-silhig na to para makuhaan ang iyang abog. So, tara guys. Samahan natin si Mr. What is this paperwork here?
That doesn't have to get notarized. What's this?
But we have to drop it today.
Well, we don't because
What? Because what?
we're going to drop it tomorrow.
Huh?
Drop it tomorrow. Let's get it notarized.
Nako, there you go with your... Don't do it now, don't do it now. Adoy, ginoo ko. Why my husband is always like this? I'll go the other side, lock this hand. Tame? But I need my slipper. This one right here. I'm going this way, the side, sliding door. Kalukuhan. All my flip-flops is here. So, tawa ko talagang hindi niya talaga kaayang. Ay. Tara. Ganyan yan siya. Hindi niya asikasuhin yung mga dapat asikasuhin. Kalimutan na lang niya. Ganyan yan siya. So, kaya hindi na ako mag-tsatsaka kung gano'n. Ngayon, mag-asikaso kami pa isa-isa. Hanggang aabot kami ng 1 taon nitong paperwork na ito. Kahit hindi siya malaki-kalakihan. Malaki na yan pang gastos. Hintay ako dito. Nako. And then magpabili din ako ni Tami ng pork belly. Kasi it's very expensive guys. The package is not here yet, right? The package. It's very expensive, guys.
What, the pills?
What pills?
What are you talking about?
The pork is getting like ridiculous prices. For pork belly, guys, 2 slices of pork bellies, okay? Like It's crazy. It's like $20 something for just 2 slice. It's
For fat. It's
for fats, mostly fat. It's ridiculous. So wala na tayong magawa kasi I guess everything is getting higher and higher. Oh, they're home, honey. So anyway guys, so ngayon guys, tapos na kami dito na na notary itong aming papel. So kailangan ipa-notary for a long time. Wala, dami. My husband is not If I have money, I will buy that.
my what?
This one.
Oop.
I love you.
Me too.
So why you let me sign a thing? I thought you're gonna collect all the money.
You have to sign that you agree to that.
Is it?
Yes.
We didn't know that.
If you're married, you have to sign.
Oh. Yeah, because we have time in it to collect all the money from this pension.
I don't. I would have rather do it the other way, but the other way, they're gonna wait. If I drop dead, in 20 years you don't get anything. And 20 years from now, the money they give you is gonna be worth a nickel.
Yeah, when I get 60, guys, and that's gonna be.
So it's like a big scam deal. They should give you it right away when I die. But
Can you open the window, love, at the back? That's it. Thank you. So, yun. So, kaya sabi ko sa kanya, ito yung pinag-awayan namin, guys, no? Nag-away talaga kami nito dahil po, ang tigas ng ulo niya. Gusto talaga niya na makuha ko yung half. So, ang makuha niya is half habang andito pa siya. And then, kapag mawala na daw siya, matanggap ko continue, pero half-half. No? So, pero nabasa ko doon, buti na lang nakita ko yung papel na makuha ko lang yun kung aabot tayo ng 60 rate. Natural naman yun, no? Sometimes it's like 65 nga eh. Social security nga eh, 65. Pero, so yun, sabi ko sa kanya noon, wag mo nang, kunin mo na lahat kasi sayang, ito yung pinagpaguran mo, buong buhay mo. You know, kunin mo na. Hindi po ito social security, guys. This is a different pension. And yun, so kaya, ayun, kunin na lang niya lahat kasi sabi ko sa kanya, ano bang pinag-alala mo sa akin? Mabubuhay naman ako kung darating ang panahon na uwi ako ng Pilipinas, andoon ako manirahan. Kaya ko namang mabuhay na walang anik. No? Siya ro daghang tag-igsuon di ta pakanon. Pakan ako ninyo ha. So yun siya sabi ko, kunin niya guys. So which is good, additional to our monthly thing. This one is very he spend a lot of money, so it's good. He's adding this thing. Distador man eh. Traffic love. Good. Laki pala dito. It's big over here.
Yeah.
Dito po tayo sa Mexican na tindahan. Marami pong tinda dito. Look, ay mango. May mango sila guys. Nagwala na guys. Nagwala ng mga tao diri. Tara, uli na tayo. Wala man silang pork belly. Oy. Wala silang pork belly. So kaya tara, uwi na tayo. So yun. So magpunta kami sa kabilang tindahan guys. Kasi my husband is pain in the neck. So yun guys, so pauwi na kami. Nakahanap ako dito ng dyan sa Market Fresh. Meron silang tawag nun, pork belly. So it's they're very expensive.
how much per pound?
I don't even look, I just bought it.
Seriously?
Yes, this is what I'm what, and then
You should still know what you're paying.
well, three slice, the other one is 17, the other one is $16.
So each slice is $17?
No, it's not a slice. 3 piece in the pack. 3 slice of pork. Each pack. And yeah, I told you they're not cheap. And I used to get it.
It says per pound price, so you should know that.
So if it's higher than what you think, you're not buying it.
No, that's not the point. The point is you want to know.
Well, then we will know later, hon, when we get home.
You know, people shop, they pay attention to that.
Well, if you wanna buy that specific thing and then you go everywhere, that means you have to bought it, no matter what it is. Adoy, Tommy, you're looking always for trouble. Tommy's looking for trouble, guys. Seriously, honey, following your wife is wrong.
Yeah.
No, it's not. You are not so nice to me. Why?
Pointing out the facts. I'm just pointing out the facts.
What is the fact?
Had nothing to do with being nice. Burger King.
I'm going to cook this pork tomorrow. Okay, can you bring this, love? Love. Oh, we order another gate. Kasi our gate, somebody threw the part of it. Lahan, all of it is gonna go down. Watch out, hold it. Okay, let me hold this way. Put it here. Oh, that's sorry, love. Yeah, we're watching seems like it's a newer version of the like Caesar salad. What the heck is that? Italian, Filipino, Puerto Rican, American household. It's very noisy. Tommy very noisy. He talk too much. Guys, the charcoal, guys. Tommy said
You tell me that Filipinos invented charcoal.
no, Asia.
And-
Asia, because
Oh,
we don't,
right,
we don't
Asian
no,
version.
because
I
you guys,
didn't know that.
you guys, you guys always cook using gas, stove, electric shit. You guys never experience with all the wood chip, and then you have to go to the mountain get that wood.
No, we didn't go to the mountain to get wood, but we cooked on charcoal. I was thinking of the gas grill when I was young.
Yeah, but Asian people is the first one invented charcoal. Okay,
That's
first
you.
one. You know why? Because
How
we've
do
been
you know
using.
that?
No, because this is only common sense. Because we kept because we use.
What happened here?
Ala, internet, love. We don't have internet. No connection. That's why my cell phone is acting up. Thomas Rick. Oh no, you can't do anything now, hon.
You killed the internet.
That's your invention, hon. Internet sucks. Aguroy, akong bana. Di yun ko magpalupig, guys. Na akong bana, guys. Mag-ingon-ingon siya na kanang magkuan daw sila kanang okay daw ang ilang life diri kanang nakaano daw sila charcoal and din nangahulog naman ni akong bra oy. So ana na siya, guys, na ano daw yung ano daw yung charcoal is in the habit since he was a kid because he growing up he didn't have any gas like propane gas. Seriously, America, no propane gas. It's been like that. The whole house is gas because electric. The whole house is gas. It blew up. They have heater. Yes, they have probably a fireplace with wood, but most of them are oil, gas. So don't tell me you guys invented. Let me check now here in my cell phone who invented the charcoal. No single person fresh. Only human were using it. Pigment at the least 3,000 years ago with the Egyptian could use the. Why is it Egyptian? Asian, it should be the one. Huh? Why there's no Asian here? Especially Filipino. Okay, but we did use it, honey. We use freaking shell, coconut shell. Who are you? I'm not done, honey. My bra is falling down like London Bridge. So that's it, guys. It's crazy because Tommy thought, no, nako talaga. Kasi sila dito, sanay sila sa mga easy job, easy work, easy go, happy go, lucky go. No. They used to like using this, like, even to cut the meat, they have a cutter, electric. Ay, nako. Buang na si Tommy kasi yung TV niya, walang, pati TV, internet, adoy, ang TV namo sa una, liso-liso man sa akong nanay. Kahit ganito kami, guys, sobrang ingay talaga namin kapag kami ni Tommy, magkasama. No, kanang naburyo na ganit mo, guys. 8 o'clock na, 8:12. hindi kami kumakain ng ganitong oras. Isira nga natin itong window ito kasi takot ako baka may